guys, the car I spoke earlier about the sensor. I remove everything. I check the sensor doesn't work. So look at the vehicle hit a deer, all the fuel pump is been broken. So you see, so now I put a new pump, so I give an update soon. So please be safe, sleep well with no problem. So the fuel pressure is the fuel pressure, okay? When they got hit the deer, this fuel pressure doesn't work no more because it's attached at the bottom. When it's attached at the bottom, no pressure going to the engine. That's why I decided, after everything I checked the sensors, I checked the camshaft sensor and the crankshaft position sensor. It doesn't work. And then as I use starting fluid, the car start, but now it's the pump. Please guys, if you see anything, you hit